east, you go west. But Indian food is the best. And it was proved yet again when as many as 7 Indian dishes made an entry into the top 50 list of the world's best rated vegan dishes. Taste Atlas, a food guide platform, released this list, and just by looking at it, our chest swelled with pride. And well, tummy bloated with some extra calories. Maharashtra's famous Misal Pav was ranked at number 11 in the list of the world's best traditional vegan dishes. ALOO gobi, a popular sabzi made in almost every household, was ranked at number 20 in the list. No wonder we love this lip-smacking preparation with almost everything like roti, paratha and chawal. And then comes the comfort food of every North Indian, Rajma. The food was placed at number 22 on the list, and surprisingly, Rajma chawal has been ranked 41. We are sure all North Indians are already rejoicing as Rajma has gone global and the world has finally discovered the magic a piping hot bowl of Rajma can create with a plate of chawal. At number 24, we have Gobi Manchurian, which is a popular Indo-Chinese starter or snack of batter-coated and pan-fried crispy cauliflower, and we all know that it tastes heavenly. Masala Vada also made it to the list and secured the 27th rank. Taste Atlas mentioned that this tea time snacks originates from Tamil Nadu, but also clarified that other versions exist. Another popular snack, Bhelpuri, also got placed at number 37 on the list, and it is fully justified. Like, who doesn't like this savory concoction of puffed rice, puri, boiled potatoes, onions, chutneys and herbs? All these dishes are definitely our favorites, and we are glad that they made it to the list. Other global vegan dishes that made it to the top 10 included zaitun parvade from Iran, guacamole from Mexico, muhammara from Syria, tempe goreng from Indonesia, badrijani from Georgia, hummus and baba ganoush from Lebanon, spaghetti aglio olio and tagliatelle ai funghi from Italy, and mujaddara from Iraq. Good ones, right? But the internet was not too impressed, it seems. While one pointed out how pasta has eggs, most were upset about calling falafel an Israeli dish. What are your thoughts about the rankings? Do let us know in the comments and make sure to subscribe to Shosha for more food content.